Welcome to Dell Technologies tutorial on utilizing machine learning to automate storage operations, part of the PowerMax OS 10.2 release. In this video, I will show you how to use the well-known concept of statistical process control with machine learning in PowerMax to become a pro at automating storage insights. The graph shown on the left is a typical process control chart, a well-known way to monitor the status of a manufacturing process. When a measured value, represented by the blue line, is within a pair of upper and lower limits, the dashed red lines, a process is said to be in control. Likewise, if any of the blue data points exceed either limit, the process is said to be out of control. When a PowerMax storage array is brought online, its machine learning algorithms automatically begin calculating and storing over 80 different customer available metrics with minimum, maximum, and average values, as we can see in the screenshot on the right. After only 15 days of continuous use, users can create intelligent thresholds that can be used for real-time alerts should any values exceed their thresholds. We will now apply the idea of process control to the management of metrics automatically created within PowerMax. Dell Unisphere for PowerMax creates and displays process control charts. This screenshot is an example of power consumption. Notice the scrollable tick box list of 80 different metrics that can be selected to build a critical metrics dashboard, giving the user a single pane of glass for monitoring the overall health of PowerMax. By leveraging machine learning algorithms to derive process thresholds, PowerMax eliminates guesswork in setting alerts, resulting in more accurate alerting, improved storage process control, and increased management efficiency. This new intelligent, automated threshold feature creates a significant business advantage for PowerMax customers because it enables them to respond faster and more effectively to unplanned activity, while enabling their storage staff to focus on other aspects of the business. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial on intelligent thresholds for storage process controls in Unisphere for the PowerMax OS 10.2 release. Please check out the link at the bottom of this video to Dell's PowerMax homepage, where you will find additional videos and reference materials. Lastly, like and subscribe to this channel to ensure you'll be notified of future tutorials, and leave us a comment if you found this information helpful.